rollover or transfer? Best options for moving $100,000 into a Gold IRA. At age 70, preserving wealth often becomes more important than growing it. For those with $100,000 or more in retirement accounts like a 401k or IRA, moving funds into a Gold IRA can provide long-term security and protection from inflation. However, doing so requires understanding specific IRS rules to avoid penalties and taxes. This guide breaks down the essential steps and safeguards for making a smooth, tax-compliant transition. Get free Gold IRA guide and learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment. Click the link below in the description to get it. Understanding Gold IRAs. A Gold IRA is a self-directed individual retirement account that allows you to invest in physical gold, like IRS-approved coins and bullion. The gold is stored in secure, IRS-approved depositories, not at home. It offers an alternative to traditional investments like stocks or bonds and is often used to preserve wealth over time. Key considerations when investing $100,000 in a Gold IRA at age 70. 1. Know the difference, rollover versus transfer. Rollover involves taking money out of one account and redepositing it into another within 60 days. Only one allowed per year. Transfer, a direct move from one custodian to another. Number 60-day rule. Can be done multiple times without tax penalties. 2. 401k to Gold IRA. Rules at age 70. If your 401k is from a former employer, you can roll it into a Gold IRA. You must first take your required minimum distribution, RMD, before rolling over any remaining funds. Only certain types of gold, like American Gold Eagles, are allowed by the IRS. 3. IRA to Gold IRA, rollover rules. Make sure your Gold IRA is managed by a custodian approved for physical metals. If doing an indirect rollover, deposit the funds into the new account within 60 days to avoid taxes and penalties. Remember, the once per year rollover rule applies per taxpayer, not per account. 4. Avoiding penalties and taxes. Use direct transfers to avoid the 60-day window and reduce risk. Work with a qualified tax advisor to ensure correct sequencing, especially around RMDs. Keep detailed records of all transactions, custodian communications, and receipts. Store your gold only in IRS-approved depositories. Keeping it at home disqualifies the IRA. 5. Why gold makes sense at age 70. Gold helps protect against inflation and market volatility. It can serve as a stable store of value during retirement. A $100,000 investment in gold could act as both a financial hedge and a legacy asset for future generations. Converting a 401k or IRA into a Gold IRA at age 70 is more than just moving money, it's a strategic choice for long-term preservation. With the right approach, including direct transfers, compliance with RMD rules, and expert guidance, you can avoid unnecessary taxes and protect your retirement savings for years to come. Free Gold IRA Guide. Learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment. Download your free Gold IRA Guide now. Click the link below in the description to get it. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.